Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI P10 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Then click on Screen Lock and Passwords. And finally select Password at the top. Then click on the best login method for you: pattern, PIN or password. Now you finally get to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you're done, select Done at the bottom right corner. In order to add your fingerprint right away, choose Enroll in Fingerprint pop-up. You can also tap on Cancel and do it later. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!